Hey guys, today I'm going to review Toyota HiAce 1997. It's kind of windy outside now. It is. I'm sorry about that. I have to do it in the evening because it's Texas. It's really hot. So anyway, yes, this is the Super Custom G. G is pretty much the most option one. So this 1997 Toyota HiAce Super Custom G. It is not all-wheel drive. It is just the front-wheel drive, I believe. Maybe rear-wheel drive. So this car has only 92,000 kilometers, which is about 57,000 miles. So it's just pretty good low mileage car. I just got it like a few weeks ago, and I was doing like I was traveling lately, so I didn't have time to do some review. So I'm trying to push it up today. So this one used to have the roof rack on the top. Somehow when they sent it to me, the shipping company decided to remove it. So as you can see, there's some line on the top of the roof that had some lines showing that it was used to have it before, and the tire was pretty bad. So I put the new tires. So this is all full tires are brand new right now, and the tinted windows, and it looks really great car. And the paint, it's pretty nice too. As you can see, it's shiny too. So I'll show you around. This is a pretty nice car. It is only it's a gas engine though, 2.4 liter, not the 3.0 liter diesel engine, not that one, because I used to have one. Actually, I sold two of them. I sold it already. But this one has the Super Custom G, so that's the reason why it has the parking sensor in the back, as you can see it there, and it is function. It's working fine, and it drives pretty well also. So the gas engine cars, so it won't vibrate as much as the diesel. Diesel one's kind of like kind of loud and vibrating a lot too. So anyway, it's a good looking car. It's good looking. The color is kind of a little bit rare for the HiAce, because most of the HiAce has the kind of like a golden brown color, but not this one. This one's a white color, and I know rust or anything. The car drives very well. The transmission shifts very good also. Yeah, that's pretty and it's all full tires are new. I just put it today, so you don't have to worry about anything for another couple of years for the tires. Let me show you close up and some inside. So the white things over there on the glasses are just the piece of paper they just stuck in there. Somehow I couldn't get rid of it, so I don't know what kind of glue they use. But either way, it's not a crack or anything. And everything is in good shape and pretty good condition. It is a wheel cover. It's not a alloy wheel. It looks like a alloy wheel, but it's not. And the paint stickers are a little bit of worn out, but the paints are in good condition. It has a full moonroof, the all the way on the top, the front one, and in the middle one, and there's like two at the back. So there's a little bit of scratch down there, a little bit of those two. I don't know how it happened. I'm not sure it happened by at the port or the shipping company did it. Oh, this is a jack over there. I forgot to put it back. So this is the inside. Inside has some type of like a wooden cabinet in there. I'm not sure what is that for. Maybe the tray table, I guess. The seats are in pretty good shape. There's no rip or dirty or anything. There's pretty good space in there. Yeah, somehow then I can show you interior. Okay, let me show you the interior. I just moved the chair on that side so you can see that it is swivel. And this chair, both of the chair can be make it like a captain chair, like you can move around. And here's the rear air condition. And here's the moonroof. It's a little bit dirty. I need to clean it up. And this is the lights, overhead headlights. Not headlights, overhead lights. And there's two moonroof up there. And here in the back seat. So this look how much the room for the back seat. It can fold flat, and it can move it from all the way up to here. So basically when you fold it and connect those two seats together, and you can make bed. So that's how the HiAce done it for the make it ready for the camping. And this is a wooden cabinet. So I mean, if you guys don't like it, you can just remove it. I don't really know how that function, but probably just to put stuff and eat, I guess. Now let me show you the inside of the front. Here, this is the passenger side. It looks great, and there's nothing like a tear down or anything. The seats are in very good shape. I mean, it's kind of like low mileage for the HiAce. You know, most of the HiAce are it always goes over 150,000-160,000 kilometers. So but this one is just pretty good condition, I would say. So here's this doesn't have a CD player, but it has the rear air condition and cassette players, and see that was a puck sensor. We call it sonar, but it's a puck sensor. And just some storage space, and there's an ashtray, and this is for the automatic transmission. And here is the rear view mirror control, and here's the storage box, and the retractable the rear view mirror on the side rear view mirror. And this moonroof, it doesn't it's opened. It's tilt open, not open all the way down there. Unlike this in the middle one does. Some HiAce has curtains, but this one does it. But it has the 5% tint, so it's pretty good privacy in the back. So here you can see this way. And let me open the trunk and show you. See that this is a Super Custom G and sonar sensor. There's a little bit of damage down there. I don't know, it looks like forklift hole or something. I don't know how it happened, but somebody did something. Because like one of my custom car has damage too at the port. So yeah, you never know. That's kind of like a risk that you have to take it when you buy the car from Japan. You know, that's the reason why I don't really recommend people to importing. Like if you are just doing one car, don't import it. Don't take a risk. Just buy it from somebody, because you can, you know, like because you can walk away anytime. You know, like if you don't test drive it. If you don't like it, just walk away. For us, no. When we bought it, and we only have to see that like a couple of like grainy pictures, and we just have to decide it, and we have to rely on the auction sheet, which are not very reliable most of the time. They're like you know, they're not very reliable, and plus shipping company and the other risk, you know, of course. And so original owner didn't even remove this plastic wrap, so you can see the plastic wrap here. And this is the windshield washer fluid for the rear wiper. Same thing too. There's like some plastic down there, and even bother to remove it, I guess. Or maybe they like it that way. This is a kind of like interesting mirror. It's not the. It's kind of at like a backup camera, but I don't know. It's kind of really fun to see anyway. So yeah. Let's see it. And I'll start the car for you also. So here on the door, driver side door is there's a plastic down here, and there's a like power door lock, and I believe this is the oil change stickers. Here, this is the driver's seat, and let me grab the handle and get on it and see. Let's start the car. So that's how engine started. It's 92,000 kilometers, and the aircon is pretty strong. It's like instant cool right away. I mean, yeah, we need the air condition in Texas for sure. Can't live without air condition here. And that's the automatic transmission shifter. And this is overhead console. And this is the lights, map lights, door lights, map lights, and the rear tilts for the moonroof from all the way back, and then lock there. So this is how you can see in the back. See the mirror? Is that a backup camera? Like when you park, maybe. Yeah, pretty nice looking car. I'll probably gonna drive for about like a few seconds after I finish here, and I'll upload the video also. I'll combine it, and it's I like this car. It drives pretty well. It's not like super fast like other cars, but you know it goes. It's 2.4 liter. It's just a Toyota engine, you know. So so when I close it, it's kind of like an automatic. See that? It's locked. It's soft. Like if you just have to like press it a little bit and it locked. So yeah, I think it's a good for the camping, you know. But the only thing is it's not all-wheel drive, but the it's a good gas saver, 2.4 liter. So yeah, the paint's pretty good shape. You know, I was surprised. So what do you think? Just let me know. Yeah, this one has the I have the titles already in hand, so I can sell right away. You know, it shouldn't be, you know, that long. Just I already have a license plate and Texas title. It's clean title. So yeah, thanks for the watching. Really appreciate it. You know, I'm gonna have to upload more videos soon also. I'm waiting for like 5 more cars coming next week. Hopefully everything's arrived, everything's in good condition, so I can make the video sooner or later in a couple weeks. Alright guys, thank you so much. Thanks for the watching. Please subscribe my channels. I'll upload more in the future, and it's gonna be like every month I'll upload like 4 or 5 videos at least every month. So if you want to see all kind of like cars from, you know, Japan, like cool JDM cars, let me know.